Hi, welcome to our study. When you click on the link that we are given you, this is the page that you're going to see as you click on it. And the first and foremost thing is that you need to download the Ngrain Viewer software for Windows. After you finish installing it, you can then go ahead and put in your AMT ID and hit on Start. So once you put in your AMT ID, you will get access to this trainer and you need to hit on continue. As you see the landing page, we have put a task list that you need to follow for today's session. On the left side, there is a small button which is a navigation button. This is what we use to go through the different modules of this training software. So when you click on this module or on this button, you will see that there is parts familiarization, there is disassembly, assembly, and principle of operation. These are the 4 modules that you need to complete for the gate valve. So if you click under parts familiarization, there are 3 tabs that you can see. One is the overview tab, which again tells you what you need to do under parts familiarization. So this tells you that you have to do 3 practice attempts and then 1 test attempt. I click on practice and I wait for the animation to load.